The entire workpiece can be secured from the bottom with a single button, drastically reducing the setup times. Less cutting blade interference means machining tasks can be consolidated. Introducing Nabeya's Permanent Electro Mtb Magnetic Chuck for Milling. As the global production system continues to develop, manufacturers increasingly need to shorten the time spent on setup and machining. At the same time, production facilities are being built in multiple countries, and companies have to work urgently to establish standardized manufacturing methods with increased automation and reduced manpower. Nabeya's magnetic chuck can respond to these needs. Let's take a look at some of the many milling tasks where the magnetic chuck is used. As you can see, the chuck demonstrates its strength not just on top face and side face milling, but on integrated 5-axis machining centers too. Multiple magnetic chucks can be linked via junction boxes, as required to accommodate extra-large workpieces. Here we shall answer some frequently asked questions. Do chips with magnetic force interfere with the machining process? With the magnetic chuck, the magnetic force loops from north to south poles through the workpiece. This helps prevent the chips from attaching to the workpiece cutting surface. As you can see, even with a powerful adhesion force of 6,150 Newton for each magnetic pole, the chips are not captured by the magnet. Does magnetic force remain on workpieces? The amount of residual magnetism varies, depending on the workpiece material, but it is possible to remove it with demagnetization. We also provide mag height blocks with a lift mechanism to remove workpieces that remain attached by residual magnetism when unclamping. Drastically reducing the setup times. Allows thorough integration of milling tasks. The workpiece is secured from the bottom, so clamps do not obstruct the upper or side surfaces. This means milling tasks can be carried out together. Reduces deformations. The workpiece is secured magnetically across the entire bottom surface, minimizing deformations caused by clamping. Output cables can be removed during milling. Electricity is not required during the milling, so the output cables can be removed. The all-metal top of the magnetic chuck prevents cutting fluid seepage for longer surface life. Enables stable, precise machining of warped workpieces and curved workpieces with casting surface. With available peripherals, such as mag height blocks and magwork supports, operators can secure warped and cast iron workpieces as is, simply by placing them on the clamp. Because the entire bottom of the workpiece is secured magnetically, face milling and hole drilling can be performed without deformation caused by clamping. The magnetic chuck from Nabeya. Assured quality that dramatically reduces setup times. With less cutting blade interference, machining tasks can be consolidated. a magnetic chuck from a jig manufacturer that promises assured product quality and contributes to reduced manpower, unmanned, and automated robot manufacturing.